Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. Haven't done a video for a while. Been going through my radiation and chemo treatment, so I'm going to really cut back on what I've been doing. But one of the nurse practitioners asked me for a clock, one of the crazy gear clocks she saw on my YouTube channel, so I had to say yes. But she wanted her two sons to have their names on it, so I did Noah and Caden. And she wanted, or the boys I think wanted a woodland scene, or a duck and some marshes. So that's what I came up with. It turned out pretty good. It's in bronze, which really doesn't show up too well. But I did the frame in brown and the base in a wood filament from Polymaker. And then the gears are in a two-tone blue and green. I'll come around and show you that. But it turned out pretty well. It's just that it took 3 or 4 days to get it really running correctly. I just couldn't get the hour hand and the minute hand gears to work. So I kept adjusting it and finally put some real thin oil on it. Let's see, what did I use? Anyway, I used a special lubricant, and that really made it work a lot better. But you can see the blue and the green in the gears. So it's a two-tone filament. But I'm happy with it since I finally got it working. But this is one of Steve Peterson's crazy gear clocks. And they really work great when you get them to work, but they can be a difficult thing to get them to work correctly. But I'm happy with it now. I can print different hands, or whatever my friend would like to have on there. But in the meantime, my wife wanted some Kansas City women's soccer earrings and key fobs and whatever. So I've been printing the heck out of those. So here's what I got so far. It's a Kansas City Current. So these are a thin one, these are a thicker one. And I just keep printing them because she said, oh, that's probably plenty. But as soon as I stop, she'll say, oh, I ran out of them. So she went to the game Saturday and just was giving them away. But on the bamboo, which is really nice because I can switch the colors automatically. I think I get 30 or 32 of them at one time. So it's just start it up, let it go, and take them off and start again. Rinse and repeat, as they say. But yeah, the riser, I did a riser for this one and also the P1P, since they're both enclosed now, and it really works well for PLA, so it lets the heat out. It doesn't jam in the extruder. Got the Prusa ready to go. Just need something to print on it and the energy to do it. Same thing with two rat rigs, and I've got Wham Bam plates on them. I think I might have mentioned that last video, but just a world of difference. They just work great. So the other thing I've been trying, I just got one just to test out. I got a Wyze camera. So it's a Wyze Cam V3, and they're $25. So they do a good job. I ordered the Pan 3 with the motorized base, so it'll tilt and rotate. And that's only $8 extra, so that should be here on Monday. I'll get to, I guess that's tomorrow. I lost track of time, but I'm going to give that a try. The expensive part is actually getting the Plus service. It's $3 a month per camera, or it's $100 for up to 99 cameras. So I think that's why I'm going to end up with probably 5 to 8 cameras spread around the house, and it only costs me $100 a year. So that seems like a pretty good deal. I'll try to have more on those. I'm trying to look for mounts now and just getting them hooked up, see how they work. That's about all I got going. I want to get some of these other printers going, but I just got to get the energy back. Hopefully I'm down to 2 more treatments for the radiation and 1 more chemo. So then I should start letting my body get back to normal. It's going to take a while. So they really beat me up on this, but still try to keep busy. Well, I sure appreciate you watching and any comments or questions you have. Thank you.